Okay, so let's now discuss the ratio and proportion. So pag sinabi po nating ratio, it is the comparison of two quantities. So, and then by division. So yung ratio, pwede po natin siyang sulat ng paganto or A to B, A to B, pwede yung may ganyan dalawang dot, and then pwedeng pa-fraction. So, A over V. So, yung ratio, para ka lang nagdi-divide dyan. So, A to B, nagdi-divide ka lang. Same lang ganito. And pwede rin ganito. And pwede siyang basahin ng A is to B. Ito naman, A divided by B, A is to B. So, ayun pa yung ratio. So, dako naman tayo sa proportion. Sorry, nakalimutan ko sabihin na yung B cannot be equals to 0. Kasi magiging undefined ang isang expression. Okay, so yung proportion, ito yung statement of equality of two ratios. So itong dalawang to ay equal. Masasabi natin na they are proportion. And then, tinatawag natin yung A na first term, second term, third term, and then the fourth term. And then, ang tawag natin dito sa first and last term are the extremes. Okay po, extremes. And then, ito namang dalawang nasa gitna are, ang tawag natin ay means. Okay po, so again, first and last term, ang tawag natin ay extremes. And then, itong dalawang nasa loob ng first and last term, means ang tawag natin. Okay po. So, para mas maintindihan nyo, let us have an example. So, example, we have 3 is to 4 is equals to 9 is to 12. So, pwede natin yan isulat as 3 over 4 is equals to 9 over 12. And then, i-apply natin yung cross multiply. So, cross multiply. So susulat muna natin, 9 times 4 is equals to 3 times 12. 9 times 4 is 36 is equals to 36. Kapag nag-equal tong dalawa, meaning they are proportion. Okay po. Kapag hindi nag-equal, they are not proportion. Okay po. So, let us have an example na may kasama na siyang variable or may hinahanap tayong value ng x. Okay po. Okay, so last example, ito may kasama na siyang variable. So, yung x, hahanapin natin yung value niya. So, i-write muna natin as fraction. So, you have 16 over x is equals to x over 4. So, now, apply the cross multiply. So, write muna natin, x times x is equals to 16 times 4. X times x is, dito tayo sulat. X times x is x squared is equals to 16 times 4 is 64. And then to find the value of x, we need to extracting the square root and then cancel yung radical. So x is equals to, don't forget to write the positive and negative. Square root ng 64 ay 8. So ayan na po yung value ng x. So now to check if it's correct, substitute natin tong positive, itong dalawang root. Kasi dalawa yung root na nakuha natin, positive and negative. So try natin if magsasatisfy sa ating ratio and proportion. So now let us write if x is positive 8. Positive 8 muna i-try natin. So we have 16 over 8 is equals to 8 over 4. And then apply the cross multiply. 16 times 4 is 64. And 8 times 8 is 64. So, equal siya sa positive 8. And if x is equals to negative 8. So, substitute natin, we have 16 over, yung value ng x natin is negative 8 is equals to negative 8 all over 4. And then apply the cross multiply. 16 times 4 is 64. And negative times negative positive. 8 times 8 is 64. So both equal, so matatawag natin tong dalawa na they are proportion. Okay po. So, ayun po yung ratio and proportion. So, thank you for watching.